Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT ma'am. First of all, wishing you all a very happy new year. And I hope you all are fine and safe. Children, in our last class, we have discussed about certain types of cell references. And today, we are going to discuss about circular reference and how to rename a worksheet and also how to use the cell reference of another worksheet and how to change the color of worksheet tab. Okay. So children, let's see one by one. Our first topic is circular reference. So what is circular reference? Yes, when we enter a formula and that formula refers to its own cell value directly or indirectly, there occurs the circular reference. Here you can see a formula A1 plus A2 into 3. So here we entered that formula in which cell? A2 itself. Okay, and we entered a formula which contains the same cell itself. Isn't it? Yes. Here what is happening? Formula refer to its own cell value. It is not possible. And at that time you can see this warning message. And when you click on the OK button, you can see in that cell 0. 0 will be returned in the cell containing formula. Can you see that? Yes. And the status bar will also notify you that circular reference is found in the workbook. Just like this here you can see. Okay. So this is what meant by circular reference. And our next topic is cell reference of another worksheet, which means you can use the cell reference of one worksheet in another worksheet. So what do you mean by cell reference? Yes, address of the cell. So how can you use that? So you have two ways. The first one is using copy paste option. So let's see. First you have to click on this new sheet button. Okay, so that you can see a new sheet will be added. That is with the name sheet 2. Now enter the data. After that again click on the sheet 1 tab and click on cell B11 where we use the sum function. Then copy the formula. So copy that cell means copy the formula using Ctrl plus C, and after that click on the sheet 2 tab and click on cell B11. Now paste the formula using Ctrl plus V, and there you can see the result of that formula. So this is how you use the cell reference of sheet 1 to sheet 2. Okay, by using copy paste option. The next method is by using sheet reference. For that we use sheet number, exclamation mark and cell address. So here let's see an example. So first you have to click on the cell C4 of sheet 2 and you have to type equal to B4 plus sheet 1 exclamatory mark D4. And after that you have to press enter. So here you can see what does this formula means. Yes. So here from sheet 1 we are taking the cell reference of D4. So that is why we are typing like this, sheet 1 exclamation mark D4 and adding it with the B4. So that means here this will add the incentive amount present in the cell D4 of sheet 1 with the salary present in the cell B4 of sheet 2. So this is how we calculate the total salary, and below there you can see other cells too. So you can calculate the salary for other cells by just dragging the mouse pointer. Okay, so this is how you use sheet reference. Children, our next topic is renaming a worksheet. So you know by default the worksheets in a workbook are named as sheet 1, sheet 2 and so on. So if you want to change that name, you can rename it. So let's see. First you have to right click on the sheet 2 because we are going to rename that name to another name. So when you right click on it, you can see these options. From that shortcut menu, click on the rename option. Okay, so that you can see that sheet tab will get highlighted. And there you can type a new name for your worksheet. Any name that you wish, and after that press enter. And you can see that the name of that sheet 2 gets changed. So this is how you rename a worksheet, very easy to do. Okay. And our next topic is changing color of a sheet tab. So if you want to change the color of a sheet tab, what you have to do, just right click on any sheet tab and select tab color option from the shortcut menu. Here you can see. So there comes several theme colors from which you can select any color of your choice and you can observe the change there. Okay, so this is how you change color of a sheet tab. Children, today we have learned what is circular reference, then how to use the cell reference of one worksheet in another worksheet. There are two ways. The first one is using copy paste method and the second one is using sheet reference. And we have learned how to rename a worksheet and also how to change the color of a sheet tab. Okay, so you should practice it and learn. Try the same example that given in your textbook. Okay. Write down the notes and attend the review test. So we will see in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye.